Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. This video is a continuation of our last video where we discussed how to trade trend reversals at support and resistance levels. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out after this one. Understanding both reversal and continuation strategies will give you a complete trading edge. By the end of this video, you will learn how to identify a trending market, how to find strong support and resistance levels, how to confirm a breakout before taking trades, how to manage risks and avoid false breakouts, how to place trend continuation trades step by step. So stay with me till the end, and let's dive deep into this powerful strategy. Disclaimer: trading binary options involves significant financial risk, and you can lose money. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Results may vary, and there is no guarantee of profit. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making decisions. A trend continuation strategy means that instead of predicting a trend reversal, we follow the existing trend after a confirmed breakout. Because in a trending market, price moves with momentum, and if we trade with the trend after a breakout, we increase our chances of winning trades consistently. But for this strategy to work, we need to follow 4 important steps. Before applying this strategy, you need to ensure that the market is in a strong trend. The price makes higher highs and higher lows. Candles are mostly bullish. The price makes lower highs and lower lows. Candles are mostly bearish. Avoid ranging or choppy markets where price moves sideways, as these markets do not provide clear trend continuation signals. Once we have identified a strong trend, the next step is to mark strong support and resistance levels. Support level, a price level where the market has bounced upwards multiple times. Resistance level, a price level where the market has reversed downwards multiple times. Look for price zones where multiple candlesticks have reversed before. Use the higher time frames to confirm key levels. The stronger the level, the higher the probability of a successful breakout trade. Now, this is where most traders make mistakes. They jump into trades too early without confirming a breakout. A breakout happens when the price moves strongly above a resistance level or below a support level, signaling that the trend is likely to continue. The breakout should happen with a strong candle, big body, small wick. The price should close above resistance for buy or below support for sell. Increased volume confirms a stronger breakout. If the breakout candle has a long wick but a small body, it could be a fake breakout. Once we confirm the breakout, now it's time to enter the trades. After the breakout, enter 5 consecutive trades in the direction of the trend. Use a 1-minute candle time frame. Set trade expiry time to 1 minute. Best trading sessions: European and New York sessions. Avoid trading during 3-8 high-impact news. Check Forex Factory or investing.com. Avoid trading in low liquidity times, like during Asian session. Now, as you can see on the chart, the price has broken out of the strong resistance level, and the trend is also in a strong downtrend. So here I will take 5 consecutive sell trades one after the other. So to see the result of this strategy and how this strategy works, watch the video till the end without skipping. Till the trades are completed, I will tell you 5 mistakes of binary trading which you have to avoid. Jumping into trades without a strategy is like gambling. Always follow a tested strategy and set rules for entry and exit. Never put your whole balance on one trade. Stick to 1 or 2% of your total account per trade to avoid big losses. If you feel angry after a loss and try to recover it quickly, you will lose more. Stay calm, follow your strategy, and don't overtrade. Not all times are good for trading. Avoid trading during major news events or high volatility times unless you have experience. Jumping straight into real money trading without practice is a mistake. First, test your strategy on a demo account to gain confidence. By avoiding these mistakes, you can increase your chances of success in binary trading. The 5 trades are now completed. Let's check the results. Out of 5 trades, we won 4 and lost only 1. This proves how powerful this strategy is. Always find strong support and resistance levels before taking trades. Try this strategy on a demo account first. Once you're confident, then apply it to a real account. Before you go, like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with fellow traders. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future strategies and live trading sessions. Tell me in the comments, what strategy do you want to see next? Do you have any questions about today's setup? I'll be back soon with more powerful strategies to help you trade with confidence. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and keep learning. Thanks for watching and happy trading.